Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time.
이런 패드 형태로 이제 가공이 되어 있는 이제 형태의 코코넛이 아니라
just up and by my tongue. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new. And I've never said that I love you. When the line between us just fades and blurs. That's the time when we just don't